What's up, you guys? My name is Ryan Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell so you know when I post new videos. But in today's video, you guys, I created this really warm, beautiful summer glam look with dewy skin. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, I definitely had to recreate this look for you guys because I posted it on Instagram, and you guys really loved it and asked for a tutorial. If you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. What are you waiting for? But yeah, you guys, without further ado, let's get this video started. So for this look, I'm using the Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm actually trying a new product for me, and this is the Anastasia eye primer. I had no idea how liquidy this product was, and I actually had to reapply it, you guys, because as you can see, it started dripping down my eye, and then when I blended it, it just got all up in my eyelids and in the bottom of my eyes. So yeah, here is me actually wiping everything. I actually had to wipe everything off and reapply. But if you are using this product for the first time, you definitely want to make sure you only put a little bit at first, and you can always add some more. So that's why you see me doing that right now. It was a hot mess, you guys. But I definitely highly suggest this product because it dried down so beautifully, and I didn't have to set it after and do all that, and it definitely didn't crease as much as the concealer that I usually use. So this is something that I will definitely be repurchasing for sure. But anywho, the first color that I am using is this hot pink color called Skip, and I am literally just going to pack that all over my lid. At first it looks super crazy, but you definitely just want that pigmentation, so just keep on packing it on. So up next, I'm just going to buff up that color with this cranberry looking color from the 35B palette from Morphe, and that color is called Beats Me. And I'm just going to use a precise brush, and I'm going to pack that color on right where the previous color ends, and that's going to be my transition color. And as I said, I'm just packing that on, and then I blended it out afterwards. So now you can see I'm just adding that first color back because we lost it, so just packing that on just a little bit more. And next I'm going back and adding this orange color called Rusted from the James Charles palette, and I'm just packing that on once again above the darker pink that we added. I did start with a fluffier brush at first, but I found that the color went on better with a smaller, flatter, more precise brush. So you may want to do that so that you can get the correct color payoff. So here you can just see that I am now buffing the color in and blending it out. So next I'm using this yellow color called B, and I'm putting that right above the orange, and at first it looked really chalky and I thought I messed up the look, but you really just have to continue working with these colors and blending and adding and blending and adding. So you will be going back and forth with these four colors to achieve your proper blend. So I did do my other eye off camera, but next I'm just doing a winged liner, and wing liners are always a struggle for me because my eyelashes are super curly, but I'm using the Morphe liquid liner in Blackout. This liner is also really beginner friendly because of the point. It's not too hard but also not too flimsy, so I definitely really like this liner. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and add my lashes off camera because lashes are a struggle for me, as you guys know. But the lashes that I'm using today are from Morphe, and they are in the style called Seductive, I believe. If not, I will have everything listed in the description box if I'm wrong. But I did go ahead and also prime my face with my Fenty primer. And right now I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Orange to color correct my hyperpigmentation. So next I'm using my favorite foundation right now, and it is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the color 440. So I'm just going to put that around my face. I usually do about 2.5-ish pumps. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just putting that basically on the bottom half of my face and around the hyperpigmentation areas. So to blend my foundation, I'm using my favorite brush, and that is the Morphe 439 brush. You guys see me using this brush all the time. It just gives me such a flawless finish, and it's perfect to stretch out some foundations that are not as full coverage. So I definitely really love this brush. So just to make sure that I didn't miss any spots and to further flawlessize, yes, I just made up a word, to further flawlessize my foundation, I just go ahead and use a sponge and just press in any leftover foundation that's just sitting on top of my skin. So next I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my skin, and I'm going to be using my Fenty Pro Filt'r concealer, like also in the color 440, and I'm putting that underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and as well as my forehead. So I didn't realize that the camera was not recording, so I didn't get the rest of the footage of my face. But next I'm just gonna go ahead and start my under eye, and I'm literally doing the exact same steps that I did on my lid space. So I'm gonna start off with the neon pink color first, and I'm just gonna add that underneath my eyelid, and then I'm gonna buff that out with the darker color, the darker pink color, and then the orange, and then the yellow. So now my under eye is complete and I'm feeling myself. I'm going ahead and doing my inner corner highlight, and I decided to add this really cute iridescent purple color called Artistry from the James Charles palette, and I also mixed it with this white looking gold color called Ring Light at the top of the palette just to brighten it up a bit. But those two colors look so good in my inner corner. Like, it was just the right amount of color pop that I needed to complete this look. You definitely want to make sure that you're not putting too much like I did, because as you can see I do have some fallout, but it was pretty minimal, so I kind of got away with it. I did put a little bit of concealer to try and clean it up afterwards, but yeah, definitely be mindful of the kickback and the fallout that's going to be on your face. So last minute I decided to add this Colorpop cream gel liner in the color Boots, and this also, you guys, just elevated the look a little bit more, and I really like how this pink gel liner applied and just added that extra oomph to my eyes. I really loved how it turned out. So lastly, to complete everything, I'm just adding some mascara to my bottom lashes, and this I believe is the Lancome mascara. I did end up getting this on my skin, like basically on my cheeks, so I had to conceal it. But yeah, you guys, I really do enjoy how this look, there it is. I really do enjoy how this look turned out. I definitely had to go back and fix this, but this is the last step of this look. So I totally forgot, I did go ahead and add the Morphe Luminous setting spray, and this is what gave me that dewy look. And after that, I just went ahead and prepped it and just blotted it into my face with a beauty sponge. I really do like the dewy look that this gave me. This is actually my first time using it, but I really do love it. And yeah, you guys, that completes the look. So this is the final look, you guys. I really enjoyed how it turned out. I actually didn't put these lashes on the first time that I did this look, but I really do like how these lashes pair with the look. I decided to also put these clips in last minute. Shout out to my girl Tori, she's bomb.com, and picked these up for me. I never asked her to do so, but she's everything. Love you, girl. But yeah, so I put these cute little clips in my hair. But anywho, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting me. I am on the road to 650 now. I've hit 600, so I really thank you guys for kicking it with me. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, I am really sad actually that I have nowhere to go and it's like 2 a.m. Because I feel like this look is super cute. But I thank you guys so much for supporting me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in another video. Toodles!